Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, December 9th. It is a Wednesday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll go to async. There are 2 activities in async. One activity is in Mel. If the link is not working, please just go to my English lab.com and sign in. Okay. Then you have a Google Doc to do. First, remember to click My Document, then click Edit. Please, my friends, sign in using your Carlos Rosario email. Okay, and here is the document. Make sure you read all the instructions before you begin. Okay, you'll put your answers under each story. Okay, and that's it for async. It is Wednesday, so I will be available for office hours if you need help with anything, especially your essay. I will be available from 7 to 8 p.m. That's it. Good luck.